Welcome to the Art of Marketing, your unlimited guide to master marketing strategies and to grow your business. I'm Ahmed Hamad. I'll be your host, guiding you through all the journey of how to grow a successful business with marketing, branding, and eventually how to get to the next level. On the last episode, we have talked about branding and how to have a great branding, a story that people can recommend it and share it with others. And I've given you many examples on that. But in today's episode, let's discuss something different. For example, I've really heard a lot when businesses and business owners come to us, especially new entrepreneurs and business owners. They say that we need to sell to everyone. We need to create a marketing strategy that target everyone, a campaign or an ad that target everyone. We need to have a billboard that in front of everyone's eyes, which is really vague. Like when you tell me I need to target everyone, that really shows me and it really puts on my mind two things. Firstly, either you don't know your product, and second, you don't know your ideal customer profile, your ICP. And it is not just for me, even the consumers. When you tell everyone that my product is for you, it tells them that your product is not high quality product, and that isn't a good thing. If you are in a business that sell to consumer, or you are in a service based business and you have a customer that will buy from you, which is the norm, you have to know that you have to have an ideal customer profile, a group of people that's only specifically for you. They are willing to buy your product, can afford it, and can recommend it to others. Saying I'm selling to everyone is like saying that I'm selling to no one. Marketing to everyone is like saying that I'm marketing to no one. It's like you are saying to yourself that my product is average, I am an average, my consumer are average. That's why, for example, Netflix consumer and the people on control are different, but Netflix are really making big problems with the people in power. For example, me and you, I'm not a dad. For a dad, I'm not a dad. But if you are a dad and your child watching Netflix and he see explosive content, he's not the one that will gonna pull the trigger and say that you are not going to watch Netflix again. You are the one. So when Netflix target to affect, for example, people and target children's or target people that with no power, and he forget the ideal customer profile, which is the parents, the people that on power. So that tells you any place you have to have a customer profile that are actually for you, and don't forget them. Don't say that I'm gonna change it to something else before you test the market. Having a clear segmentation of your customers is really crucial, because whenever you are selling in any place, there is a few segment of people that say, okay, I know this product, I know this person, I know this brand, and I am willing to buy it. It's like an Apple. Not everyone is an Apple fan. There is people that will never buy an Apple, whatever Apple do. There is people that will never ever buy an Android, whatever Android does. It is the same for your product and services. So eventually, you have a clear idea that I need to have an ideal customer profile. You have to know their gender, their age, if they are single, if they are married, how old are they, where do they live, the best time that they purchase. Like you have to know specific data. Do they have a spouse? Do they don't have a spouse? Like, is my product are affordable for them or not? Because sometimes business owners face the issue that they have a great product, a great service, but they are actually in the wrong place because they don't know their customers, and they end up even closing the business, or they end up losing tons of money. And it happened a lot in the business that we work with. We have, for example, we have a person that come and say that I want to build an app that is an app for food deliveries, something like that. I will not go to on the specific, but let me tell you what happened to the app. When he came, it's a new idea in the UAE, something that's really different in the UAE, especially in Dubai. when we are talking to this person about the app, the launch, what we're gonna do, our branding strategy, our marketing strategy, and when we come to the customer segmentation profile, he said that I'm targeting everyone. We end up convincing him that okay, targeting everyone is not the right thing and you don't have to do that. You have to select a few customers, a few clients. And what is the model of the business? Is it a free model or a freemium or a premium? You know the difference is like a freemium is something free and then you upgrade it, or premium since the start it gets premium, or it is free or you have an upsell. But he ended up not listening to our word and the app eventually never get launched. Until right now, like there is a lot of stories that I know and I've experienced it personally on businesses that don't have an ideal customer profile. Customers are in power. Customers are the people that will take your business from the stage that you are in to something bigger. Customers are the one that will gonna buy and pay you for your product. Customers are the ones that will let you stay in the market, not your competition, not the place that you are in, not how much money you have, not your relationship. Only the customers, the consumers, the people that you are met your product or service for them. Don't ever forget your customers. And I have a free template. I really made a video a while ago about how to identify your customer persona or buyer persona. That's why I will create as much videos and podcasts about how to specifically create a buyer persona. It's not something simple, but I have a free template and with graph, with chart, with too many things, really easy. You can download it. Like you can find, if you search Ahmed Hamad buyer persona template, you'll find it, or DM me, I will text you for free. The moral of today is whatever business you are in, and even if you are a marketer, and even if you are a brand strategist, you have to have a customer persona. Targeting everyone is like targeting no one. Selling for everyone is like selling to no one. It's that simple. Think about it, implement. If you find an obstacle, I'm around. Don't forget to follow the channel and listen to the last episode. If you are those people that will love to listen to audio, listen to the last episode. If you watch videos, there is my Instagram and YouTube channel at Ahmed Hamad. That is Ahmed Hamad /marketing. Ahmed Hamad /marketing. See you on the next episode.